The following portion of Indy Now is sponsored by We Grow Hair Indy.
And joining us is Clinic Director Darren Andrews, a longtime friend of the show. We love having you here, Darren.
Thanks for having me back. It's March, of course. We love this time of year.
Yeah, we do.
And other things. Yep.
Very exciting time of year.
Yep.
And you know what? Someone might be watching and they might be unfamiliar with what you do. So can you give us a quick overview?
Yeah, so we've been doing hair restoration for 20 years here in the market in Indianapolis. We do hair transplants. That's what I've had done 20 years ago. We do a lot of those, but we do everything relative to hair, male and female.
That's
Very cool.
fantastic. Yeah, and you guys have also worked with some notable sports personalities in the area. Tell us about some of those relationships.
Yeah, so lots of radio guys, particularly in the sports market, that realise, hey, I can't hide behind the microphone anymore.
Yeah.
Kevin Bowen at 1070 The Fan, of course. With Kevin, we did an artist robotic FUE hair transplant. We took the genetically permanent hair from the back, moved it to the top, filled in that frontal hairline. The Sharpie line you see there, that's the hairline marked out before the procedure.
Okay.
One of the keys with hairlines is making sure it looks natural and age specific. We want to make sure it looks natural as you continue to age. So it takes about 12 months for the hair to grow in fully. We stand behind our work, we guarantee our results, so we do follow-ups through that process as well.
Great.
That turned out so nice.
Yeah, nice
Yeah,
day.
look
Really
awesome.
cool to
Really
see.
natural.
Yes.
Yep. Zone growing hair.
Yes, awesome. So what happens once you set a consultation? Can you talk about that process?
Yeah, so that first consultation is either in person or done virtually. This particular example here, this is JR Angle. So JR used to play for the Hawkeyes, Iowa, 2004 through 2008, from Indiana originally. And he did multi-unit hair grafting, which is the same procedure type I had done. Again, permanent natural results. You can see from the top, massive change.
Wow.
So it was a lot of fun helping him.
Yeah.
You know, he was a real high school basketball star in Indiana, and as I said, went to the Hawkeyes. So permanent natural results with multi-unit hair grafting.
Yeah.
So one of the transplant types we do.
I
Okay.
love seeing the smile in the second
Yes,
photo.
in the after.
You know,
Yeah.
you can see like that just confidence, you know?
Well,
Yeah.
it makes a difference. It
Yeah.
makes a real difference, you know.
Sure.
Like a lot of people say, why are people so unhappy in the before photograph? Well, it's because they are.
Right,
Yeah.
right,
You know?
definitely.
So-
Yeah, and what sets We Grow Hair Indy apart from other clinics, Darren?
Yeah, I think it's the technology, multi-unit hair grafting, artist robotic FUE, one of only 2 places in the entire country to offer both of those technologies.
Wow.
And our
Yeah.
experience. We're right here in Indy, we stand behind what we do, and most of us have been through hair restoration, so
Yeah.
we understand it.
Yeah,
We get it.
right there on the north side, just south of 465 in the
Yeah,
Pyramids
the
building.
Pyramids, yep.
Right there,
Yep.
yeah, Michigan 465 area.
Yeah,
Yeah.
another radio guy. This guy's actually from down in Louisville. So this was a frontal transplant where we reframed the face, worked up to the midpoint. Again, a little bit older, so more age specific relative to his age, but again,
Yeah.
natural results. Taking that genetically permanent hair from the back, moving to the top.
Yeah.
JMV, another guy from 1070 The Fan. This was a number of years ago actually. So same thing, multi-unit hair grafting. That's about 65–70% of the transplants we do. The benefit of that is we can move a lot more hair in a single procedure than any other approach.
Oh, that's great.
Wow,
awesome,
that is
yeah.
cool.
Okay, yeah.
Now, I know that you guys have options for virtual or in-person evaluations. What does that look like?
Yeah, so you go to the website, wegrowharindy.com, or call 317-522-2995. Set those up, and it's about an hour of your time. No pressure. We'll give you a full evaluation, look over what's the primary goal, what's happening with the cause of the hair loss, and then we go from there.
Yeah, you've done it on the show before with us where it's like
That's
you
right, the
examine the
microscope.
follicle and the
Yes,
scalp
really
and everything.
cool.
It's really, really cool.
Yeah.
Keep an eye out for him on the billboards around 465 too.
And my face is out there.
I see you every day on the way to work.
I know, like there's Darren.
Still seems odd, but you know.
WeGrowHairIndy.com is where you can learn more, or give the number on your screen a call today. Thanks, Darren.
Thank you guys.
so
Good to
much.
See you as
Thank you.
always.
Appreciate it.
The preceding portion of Indy Now was sponsored by We Grow Hair Indy.